Mtwapa Driving School. Hello, my name is Elijah. I am your online driving instructor. In this part 1, I am going to show you how my students are learning using the driving simulator here in Mtwapa.